Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I apologize it's foggy because it is extremely humid outside today. I gotta wait for the camera to adjust, and I guess while I do, I'll talk about the wheel horse. So anyway, something happened to the wheel horse while I was mowing. After I disengaged the blades, some material shattered and flew out of the wheel horse. I had no idea where it came from, but it scared me to death because some of it almost hit me. I put that material under the seat so I could show you guys whenever I started making this video. Let me get the lens wipe and wipe this off for you so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you this very quickly before it fogs up again, but here's the material that came off. It sits right here in between the PTO and the engine, whatever that plate is called. It's kind of a, I guess you can call it a clutch. Whenever you push this in place, it puts friction up against this material and it turns the blades over. But anyway, this snapped off when I disengaged the blades after recording that clip I just showed you. I have no idea why well, I guess I do have kind of an idea why it did. First of all, it's so old. I mean, it's like 50 years old, I think. 49. And two, it looks to be so thin that it wore into the rivets that was holding it in place. So we're going to have to get a new one of these things, whatever they're called. So I'm going to go ahead and look up the part, see if I can find out what goes in between there. Okay, so I was right when I said that this is a PTO clutch material, and this is called the PTO bell, I think. And whenever you wear this down to the rivet, it's time to replace it. So this one wore well beyond the rivets. According to what I've seen, they call this a pressure plate. So I'm going to see if I can find any pressure plates for the wheel horse. So this is a friction disc plate for a wheel horse off of eBay, and it costs $105. I was not expecting it to be that expensive. If that's what we have to get it running, then that's what we have to get. Well, that fit my wheel horse because I can see 4 bolts right there. Unlike this one, it just has rivets holding it in place. So I'm going to take the PTO bell off of there. No tools at all. Just pull this off of there. Get that screw out. Well, I might need a tool for that. Okay, so after taking the clutch bell off, this does indeed have 4 bolts right here. Now, I don't know if this part is going to fit over on here because I don't know if that hole is this right size and the bolts are in the right place. And since this is a wheel horse and many other wheel horse models use this kind of setup, I'm assuming this will fit. I know I have a few wheel horse experts following my channel, so if you're watching this, tell me if this fits on my wheel horse. This is a Wheel Horse Commando 800. Thank you all for commenting and watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, at the time I'm making this video, we're at 199 subscribers. That is so crazy, guys. Just a month ago, we were at 100. And now I'm nearly at 200 subscribers after just a month later. My channel has never grown at this rate before, so I thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.